Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm painting a very simple piece. It's gonna be flowers and shadows. It's a pretty minimalist piece and super easy to paint. So what I've done is I have a rough sketch of the placement of the shadows and where these flowers will be. So I'm gonna start by painting the flowers first. So we want the flowers to be in like a bright color. So I'm going to start with orange and I'm going to shade it out to yellow mid. And then for the second layer, I'm going to tone it down a little bit by mixing Naples yellow with titanium white, and I'm going to lighten dark orange with a little bit of orange yellow, and I'm going to blend it to get these bright and sunny looking flowers. So I'm going to be painting two of them the same way. I'm going to start with orange red. Now I'm going to blend it out to yellow mid, and then once that is done, the second layer will be to tone it down a little bit with Naples yellow mixed with white and tame the orange red a little bit with orange yellow. So the reason why I painted twice, once with a darker shade and then with the lighter shade over, is because I'm painting over a white surface. So if I paint the lighter shades of yellow and orange over the white surface by itself, then it's not going to, the colors won't pop up as much. So for our next step, I'm going to mix Prussian blue with violet, and I'm going to draw this like bush just on the left side of this canvas, covering the flowers. And once that is painted, I'm going to paint leaves on the left side of the bush. I'm going to start with dark green for the first layer of leaves, and then I'm going to add highlights with light green. So to make the green pop, I'm going to mix light green with lemon yellow, and I'm going to continue until the leaves are visible. So for the next step, we're going to draw the shadows. We're going to draw these shadows stemming out from the bush that we painted earlier, and we're going to kind of stretch it out a little bit. So this part is the highlight of the painting. So we're going to draw like some much taller, some much shorter, a lot more flowers, and also like tall stems and stalks of leaves. We're going to make it a little bit more dense, like the shadows are going to be more dense, closer to the bush. And then on the left side here, we're going to add a shadow of like two branches of leaves sticking out. I'm not sure what species this is. And then on top of it, we're going to draw the similar shaped leaves in dark green, and we're also going to give it light green highlights. So the final step is a little bit tedious. I know some people might find it easier if we just paint the background first and then we paint the shadows on top. But I find that I really like how it turns out when we paint in between the shadows. I feel like it has a more impressionist look to it. Anyway, the color that we're going to paint the background with is going to be Naples yellow. And what I'm going to do right now is, like I said, paint in between the shadows. I'm using a size 000 brush. So this part is a little bit tedious, but it will be worth it. Also, what I want to do is I want to add a little bit of purple and white to blend into the background a little bit so it doesn't look too monotone. And this is it, the final touches. I'm just going to blend the background a little bit more and it is finished. So I hope you find this tutorial useful. I think this was actually quite fun to paint, and I kind of like how it turned out. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.